Hey friends, this is Atif here. Well, and welcome to the new update on Filecoin. Filecoin is still moving inside this very long-term support zone that starts from $3.20 and goes to $2.68. That is a very long-term support zone. If you take a look at the 7 days time frame chart, and you can see that since after the month of December 2022, it is working at a very strong and long-term support zone. In fact, this is the key demand zone as well. Whenever the pricing is moving inside this key demand zone, you can see that we are watching very nice rallies. And now, after this big drop, again, the pricing is getting accumulated inside this demand zone. And in today's video, we will once again analyze this move. And I would also like to show you this recent breakdown from this descending triangle. And we will also take a look at the breakout from this previous down channel as well. I would also like to show you a very massive breakout that is happening here on the 7 days time frame chart from this big and long-term falling wedge pattern as well. You can see that after the breakout, pricing got rejected by this long-term resistance of $11.40. That was already working as a resistance here and again worked as a very strong resistance here as well. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, then I've also shared the link for the trading signal report for the previous month of Feb 2025 in the video's description. You just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal like this, the trade setup for bounce bid, you just need to click on the link for the trade setup, and then it will take you to the trading views chart. And on this chart, you can see when I shared this trade setup. Like this signal I shared on 12th of Feb 2025 with my members. And here you can also want the complete trade signal as well. Like this is the buying zone, sell target zone, and the stop loss. And in order to see how the price line moved after sharing this signal, you need to click here and after that, it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying zone and read the sell target zone. Now let's move to the live chart of Filecoin. And first of all, let me show you the daily time frame. And here you can see that for the past several days or weeks, it was moving inside this descending triangle. Here we have the support. By the way, here at the support of the triangle, we had a complete, very strong and long-term support zone that starts from $5 and goes to $4.60. If we take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then you can see that previously this support zone has been working as a support here, resistance on here, and support on here for several weeks or months. And therefore, now after this breakdown, again, it can work as a very strong resistance. By the way, the technical target for this breakdown from this triangle that I was showing you in my previous videos as well was here, approximately at $3, and you can see that the price then dropped more than that expected target. In fact, we also tested the bottom of this very long-term support zone that is here at $2.68, and now the pricing is getting accumulated inside this very long-term support zone. And if you take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then you can see that since after the month of December 2022, price and the Filecoin never broke it down, and this support zone is also the recent swing low point before the breakout from this big and huge falling wedge pattern and in this long-term down channel as well. By the way, if the price line starts another reversal from here, then previous resistance of the triangle can still work as a resistance for the price line, and we will again need to break out this long-term resistance zone from $4.60 to $5 as well. And the technical target for the breakout from this channel is, by the way, here at the top of the channel at $11.40. And the long-term target for the breakout from this huge falling wedge pattern can be here at the top of the wedge. That will be somewhere between $250 to $300. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you, and you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.